This video is about how to give the retentive and resistive features in class 5 cavity. Retentive features are those by which restoration does not dislodge or fall out from the cavity, or it doesn't move or rotate under the occlusal loading. While the resistive features are those by which tooth structure or the restoration does not fracture under the occlusal loading. Features in the class 5 cavity preparation are: number 1, all the walls should be made divergent. Number 2, cavo surface bevel is given all around while vertical grooves are given. The walls should be made divergent because in the cervical 1/3 of crown, enamel rods they diverge out facially. So if we make the convergent prep, it will create the unsupported enamel, which will fracture under the stress. In a baby tooth, the enamel rod direction in the middle third is horizontal, while it is also horizontal in the apical third. While in the adult tooth, the enamel rods are oblique in the apical 1/3 and horizontal in the middle third. So if we make the wall convergent like this or this, it will create the unsupported enamel rods which are not directly in contact with the dentine. Like this part is not in contact, it is not supported by the dentine. Also here, these enamel rods are no more supported with the dentine. So we will make the walls not convergent but divergent following the enamel rods. They should be parallel with the enamel rods. Similarly, cavo surface bevel is given all around. Cavo surface bevel is of 30 to 40 degree for better marginal finishing of cold, for better marginal seal, and for better blending in with the tooth structure. Cavo surface is basically the junction between the prepared wall and the natural tooth structure which is not prepared. And if we give the bevel on the cavo surface, it will be cavo surface bevel. Here again the cavo surface bevel is given all around. Here we have two preparations, without the cavo surface bevel, while this is made with the cavo surface bevel. Vertical grooves are given on the mesial and the distal walls of the preparation. These are of 0.5 millimeter. Vertical grooves are given incisogingivally or occlusogingivally on the mesial and the distal walls, just beside the mesiofacial and the distofacial line angle respectively. These are not made in the pulpal floor, they only extend the pulpal floor. Here the vertical grooves are given on the mesial and the distal wall, and which will only be extending the pulpal floor. Again, in this diagram, the groove is not given, while here the groove is given. It is like this. It is not given on the pulpal floor. This way will be wrong. It should be given in this wall, on just beside this line angle. It will be correct. Here again the vertical grooves are given in the distal wall, just continuous with the pulpal floor. Here also in the mesial wall the vertical groove is given, which is just continuous with the pulpal floor. There are a few other examples for the vertical grooves. Thank you very much.